What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Cam Jam 123 video. Today we're going back out into the massive snowstorm and trying not to die. Let's get started. So, whoa! It's close. Just dropped the computer. Here we have some snow drifts. Oh, yep, that's deep. Oh, it died so hard I could stand on it. That's bad. Nope, can't stand on it anymore. My cars are buried. Like, somewhat buried. Well, the real challenge is when I go around back. Where the real horror is going to be. This. Just get ready for me to fly. I'm being stabbed right now. reason that the other one ended, guys, was when I tried to get my glove on, I couldn't get the glove on the right thing. But here's the power cables, and they're very. I need to go in. I'm sorry, guys. Just kept my feet are cold. It's off with the tree. Snow pile. Okay, so there's snow that uncovered the cars. I'm not going through that because I probably would fall my butt. You see, it's there's that. Now let me go up and get food. Okay, so my editing sound is already. Let's see how deep the snow is. One. Whoops. It's bad when the snow can hold up my computer. See. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's this side is like 8. So let's go over the other side. Let's go over to this side. Get the tallest bit. Set down the camera. And let's punch. 1, 2, 3. Oh! It's 12 inches! It's 12 inches! Let's go! It's 12 inches! It's 12 inches!
What?
It's 12 inches.
Yeah. 12 inches. go. Where's the ruler? I walked
Guys, we have 12 inches. Exactly 12 inches. That's cool. We have 12 inches. Let's go. Well, that's going to be in the video, guys. So, bye-bye. 12 inches.